you guys are doing well. So today I'm back with another skincare video, and you guys might think that why am I talking about detan, especially during the time when it's almost winter. It's already winter in some places. Well, the thing is, sun doesn't chooses to tan us according to seasons. I wish it did, but no, it doesn't. Even on the cloudy days, the sun is still there and you're still getting tan, so always wear your SPF. But other than that, we do get tanned, right? We still are getting tan. We live in India, so we cannot get rid of that. And well, tanning is a really beautiful thing when you get it evenly on the right places, but not when it's uneven. And especially the wedding season is around the corner. A lot of parties and like get-togethers are going to take place, and you want a skin tone that's even. This video is not another Gora Hone Ka 7 Tarika wala videos, not at all. This video is something that will help you to get rid of that temporary tan from those places where you don't want them to be, and to actually embrace your natural skin tone. So yes, if you're interested, then let's get started with the video. And also before the action starts on my face, I do want to mention that आप मेरे सारे videos जो मैं यहाँ पर YouTube में भी नहीं कभी-कभी डालती हूँ, आप वो सारे videos सिमसिम ऐप पे भी देख सकते हो. ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा ऐप है. And सिमसिम का सबसे बेस्ट बात क्या है पता है? Whenever I show a product in the video, you can actually see the product live video के नीचे, and you can directly buy it. How cool is that? And they always have some really good discounts on certain products. So yes, do check out SimSim app. The first thing that I'm going to go on is with the face wash. Very important, right? And very basic as well. So this is the Mamaearth Uptan face wash. This is what it is. I actually really like Mamaearth. I have actually featured the products on my Instagram, which you should follow me on. First thing that I do is dampen my face, preferably in my washroom, but today, in my room for the video. So there I have the face wash on my hand. I just spread it evenly on my palms and then obviously on my face. So that's how I like to go with it. I'm going to wash my face and be right back. So I have just washed the face wash off, and you can see how my face looks. Next I'm going to go with scrub. So you can actually use exfoliants, like the liquid ones, chemical exfoliants. I am sometimes very traditional when it comes to scrub, so this is the one by Jovi's. I really like it. It's not that like harsh on the face. So this is the Jovi's Detan Scrub. This is actually made of black plum and curcuma. Now I'm actually going to again dampen my face, and as I've mentioned, I do all of this near my basin. So the scrub looks like. It's a white scrub, and you can see the particles, like the beads inside it. Just scrub my face like very gently, not like vigorously. Smells so good. I really like Jovi's, by the way. Just washed off the scrub off my face. My face feels so good. My skin doesn't really feel dry, and it feels really soft. So that's with the scrub. You can see the difference, and especially when you do these routines before, like going to a party or just putting on a lot of makeup like foundation, concealer and everything together, it sits on so well because your base is just so smooth and just so good. Also for scrubbing, you can actually use another face scrub. I did not really use this today, but this is another face scrub. This is by the brand Bella Vita. Bella Vita is like one of those brands who really make some really good products. Especially this is great for summer season. This has menthol in it, so it's super cooling once you apply it. It's a gel based scrub. If you don't want to go with the Jovi's one, which is like more of a creamy consistency, you can definitely go with Bella Vita. So I'm going to actually show you the scrub on my hand, because the video doesn't work if I don't show you the application and just like kind of show you the product. So this is how the scrub is. You can see it's a beautiful scrub. It smells so fresh, and it is very cooling once again. I just washed my hand also. It feels really nice. These are the two scrubs that I highly recommend if you're looking for like scrubs that help you get that even skin tone. So this is more of like a summer one, as I've said, and this is more for the winter season, the Jovi's one. Next I apply a detan mask. Now there are so many in the market, but only few of them work. It's a truth that all of us should understand, and I think all of us will agree. I to have बहुत बार been like, oh my god, why did I spend my money on this, because half of them never worked as detan. This is the one that works pretty well. This is Detan by Bella Vita again. This is how the face mask looks like. So this is like sun relief and skin tightening volcano matte face glow pack. So you'll see it all right now when I apply it on my face. I'm going to use a brush. You can use your fingers, you can use anything that's just, you know, sanitized. This feels really nice, you know, it feels really like cooling and soothing kind of, feels really nice. I'm going to just let this face mask dry. You are supposed to leave it on for like 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes. I just wait for it to, you know, just feel a bit tight, and then I just rinse it off. I'm not going to talk much with the face mask on because that's a skincare sin. I'm going to let it dry and I'll just rinse my face and we'll be back. Now that the mask is off, you can see the effect of the mask. It always, you know, leaves my skin really soft and really nice, but it doesn't feel, you know, super tight or very irritated kind. After my whole detanning process, I always follow up with a toner. Today I'm going to use this toner by Kaya. This is a really good toner, you know, that minimizes the appearance of pores, and it just makes your skin feel really tight and really, you know, beautiful. You can use a cotton pad, but the way I like using my toners is that I just take it on my hand like this, then this, and then pat it slightly on my skin. So this is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do try this routine, and also if you're trying this routine, don't forget to let me know on Instagram DMs, emails. I love to just hear from you guys. And also don't forget to check out Simsim app, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.